Hey there, y'all. It's Elisa Cole-Murphy with French Quarter Realty, and I would like to personally invite you to our open house tomorrow. It is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. this Saturday at 2469 Dauphine. Now, I'm currently standing in the heart of this home. The kitchen is right behind me. It is just a really, really cool, beautiful, and quite large 3-bedroom, just over 2,500 square feet. But if you follow me on social media already, then you'll know and may have even participated in a survey that I did to understand from you specifically which features of this home are most incredible. And I am going to walk you through the top 4. Are you ready? One's right behind me. So just outside of those beautiful windows I was standing in front of is this really sweet low maintenance yard. You have a beautiful wooden deck that is in really, really good shape. Ground covering to make any pets you might have happy without having to get out the lawnmower. And this deck extends around the side of the home to a side yard. Now, I apologize for the electrical company doing some sidewalk repair across the street. That's temporary. Right here you have a side entrance from your master bedroom, which is fantastic. You also have these great pass-through windows right by your barbecue. So if anyone is a grill master, we've got you taken care of. And this is a gated driveway, folks. That means that you can fit up to 2 cars there. It's a little over 70 inches in width, so they do need to be city-appropriate cars. It also means you have a dedicated parking spot right in front of that on-street parking for any larger cars. Now, right above me is this gorgeous, gorgeous oak tree. What I point out is that city living can also mean feeling like people are right on top of you, and this yard does not have that effect. Why? Because it is flanked on all sides with additional backyard space, including this beautiful pagoda, which is really nice to look at when you're in your backyard entertaining, barbecuing, or even enjoying a fire pit, as they currently have set up. So that is number 1. I'm now going to walk you from the double parlor straight into the ground floor master suite and show you the second thing that you guys really liked, in no particular order. I'm going to end with number 1, of course. And this is where you're going to see an enormous master bath. Great soaking tub, clawfoot for all of you New Orleans eclectics, history buffs, and other people who just enjoy a nice bathtub. And the next to that is an enormous glass walk-in shower. But it gets better, and I'm going to show you. Just past that great glassed shower is going to be a his and her vanity. Plenty of storage, so you don't have to worry about sharing your space. And right back here is a generously sized walk-in closet. How's that for an ensuite? Okay, so our third favorite of all of the posts that we picked up, all of the pictures, all of the features, is easily the double parlor. That's right. Right when you walk in, you are greeted with an enormous entertaining space. It includes a seating area and so much more, and I'm about to show you that. Just past the front door, we open up into this very generously sized entertaining space. How is this for a wow factor? And for you folks that really love music, and who doesn't in New Orleans, the place is also wired for sound. Now, this is a very, very long room. In fact, it spans the entire length of the home, so it is perfect for entertaining and for setting up different zones, whether that's television watching area, reading area, what have you. I am not even halfway through the home, and I'm going to spin and show you the front that we just left behind. The fixtures do come with the property. And last, but certainly not least, in fact, it was my followers' favorite feature of the whole home, is going to be that back half of that entertaining space, which is right behind me. And it is also very generous. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the kitchen. It's an open chef's kitchen. It has a lot of really great features. And it opens directly into a den. And yes, that is a fireplace behind me, guys. It isn't working. Very few in New Orleans are, and it's too warm here for that anyways. Most of them in these Creole cottages burn coal, and that's probably not something that we have the tolerance for nowadays. But there are 2 open rooms on either side of that, currently set up as an office and a dining room. And check out these gorgeous ceiling to floor windows. There are 3 of them, and they do operate and they fly up so you can get right back to that deck, which brings us back to where we started. And then there is your door, so you don't have to duck like they did in the 19th century. Let's take a look at the kitchen and the features that people loved online. All right, so this open kitchen includes a large island. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 bar stool seats so that you can have your guests keeping you company while you prepare food. And look, that is a lower height preparation area right there on that same island. Now, if you prefer a seated dining area, we've got you there too. It is situated right next to the kitchen so that you don't have to go too far when you're getting that next cold bottle of wine to serve your friends. There's that fireplace that I mentioned and those glorious windows for light. But right behind this table is an operational window that goes back out to that deck. Remember when I said you could open your windows directly to your grill master? There it is. Also works great for adult beverages and sweet tea. Beautiful light is coming in through the home, as you can see. There's that office space. Gonna keep panning. We really enjoyed an open house here with a lot of people watching the Saints. Who dat? This is looking back to the upstairs where there are 2 additional bedrooms. They are independent with their own entries, own closets, and a shared Jack and Jill bathroom, as well as a loft area perfect for a day bed for additional guests, or for a desk for a study area, or even a studio for those of you in the arts. Now this kitchen is actually generous, and it doesn't show that as well because of the perspective of the giant room that it's in, but we have lots of cabinetry, including lots of upper cabinets, but also these pull-out drawers, which make things a lot easier to organize all of your goodies. This is a Wolf range stove, so you're going to see a full gas range. That also includes this great water spigot right here for pouring stuff directly into your pot or kettle, and also an intelligent hood. This microwave, for those of you who don't like to cook, is big enough to put a Thanksgiving turkey in. So go to town, heating up whatever you please. And the refrigerator is a clamshell stainless steel unit, and that is perfect for supplying easy to grab drinks, snacks, you name it. There is a refrigerated pullout for additional beverages, cheese, whatever your poison of choice maybe. And then down here you have a pull-out freezer as well. Now, all of these appliances come with the unit. They are also all very well maintained, top-notch. You won't know anybody ever used them before. So one last look at this great downstairs entertaining area before we sign off. So that is by no means all she wrote. They're just 4 of your favorite features of 2469 Dauphine right behind me here. Please stop by tomorrow, 10 to 12. I would love to meet you. If you're just window shopping, that's okay. Please come by so that you can tell a friend who might be looking how wonderful it is to live on Dauphine Street in the Marigny Rectangle right next to the Bywater. Just check out how much these neighbors get into Halloween. What a great block. It's a great day in real estate, and I hope to hear from you soon. This has been Elisa Cool-Murphy with French Quarter Realty, a licensed agent in the state of Louisiana. Talk to you soon. Better yet, see you tomorrow. Bye.